welcome back to my YouTube channel, Emus.Farm.Project. So today I want to show you how we can breastfeed our mother rabbit. We can help her breastfeed our babies. So these are our kids in their nesting box. So this is how we are going to help these. You can put them like this because these have opened their eyes. You can down as I've done. Yes, in this position. Then you hold the babies and bring them to the breast. So now this one has 9 kids and we are helping them to breastfeed. As you see, you bring them to the breast. They will look for the breast because these have opened their eyes, so they know what to do. You just bring them one by one. You let them breastfeed. You put your rabbit in a comfortable position like you see. So here I'm helping the baby kids to breastfeed. You make sure that all of them breastfeed. As you see, they are breastfeeding themselves. So we are helping the mother rabbit to breastfeed her babies. You make sure all of them breastfeed well.